Welcome. Today, we're exploring Napkin AI, an innovative tool that transforms your plain text into dynamic visuals in just seconds. Whether you're preparing a presentation, brainstorming ideas, or simplifying complex information, Napkin AI makes it all effortless. Napkin AI is designed for anyone who wants to communicate ideas visually without the hassle of traditional design software. Instead of struggling with complex graphic tools, simply type or paste your text into Napkin and let its AI work its magic. The tool automatically generates a range of visuals, from flowcharts and mind maps to detailed diagrams that perfectly match your content. This simplicity is what sets Napkin apart, making professional quality visuals accessible to everyone. Getting started with Napkin is a breeze. First, head over to napkin.ai and sign up. Currently, the service works best on desktop, allowing you to harness the full power of the platform. Once you're in, simply paste your content or use the generative AI feature to draft new text. There's no need for complex prompts. Your words are enough. Now you can go through the content and highlight where you see fit an engaging diagram. Then click the Generate Visual button, and in just a few seconds, Napkin analyzes your text and presents you with several visual options. Scroll through these and pick the one that best captures your idea. If you'd like to adjust the default style, Napkin allows you to edit every aspect, from colors and fonts to icons and connectors, so you can make the visual exactly how you want it. Once you've customized your visual, Napkin offers a range of export options to suit your needs. Save your creation as PNG, SVG, or PDF, making it easy to insert into presentations, documents, or even social media posts. You can also share a direct link to your Napkin document, enabling real-time collaboration and feedback. These features make Napkin AI not just a design tool, but a powerful asset for storytelling in business, education, and beyond. Napkin AI revolutionizes the way you convert text into visuals, streamlining your workflow and making your ideas clearer and more engaging. Ready to transform your text into art? Visit napkin.ai and start creating today.